Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to rename your TP-Link Tapo C210. Let's get started. For this, we just need the Tapo application. Then here go in the camera section, tap on the Manage and open Settings by tapping its icon. And now on the top of the screen, you can see device info. We need to select it, and in the device name tab, we can change its name. So now it named like the name of this device, and it's kind of boring and long, so let's change it. For example, I'm gonna name it like Emily, and also we can use emojis here. I'm gonna put this red heart and save by tapping this save option. After this, we can also change the device icon. Let's switch to this cute camera. And also we can change the location. I currently set it as an office, but you can have your custom one. You can either select from the suggested options or type in manually. And don't forget to tap this save button to save all of the changes. And that's it! I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.